How to sign up for a new account in the Dollar General app. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can sign up for a new account on the Dollar General app. First thing you have to do is open up your web browser, go to the search bar and simply search for dollargeneral.com. Or you can just simply search for these keywords Dollar General and the official website will pop up right on top. Click on it and go to the website. Now, in order to sign in, you can find the account icon at the top right corner. Just click on it and then click on sign in. And if you already have an account, you can just simply enter your username or email here and enter a password to log into your account. If not, you can just create an account by clicking right here. Then you can just go ahead and enter your first name, your last name, and then enter your zip code. Make sure that the zip code is valid. Then just enter your email address. And finally, you can just go ahead and enter your password. Once you've done that, you can just go ahead and click on next step. Then you're going to have to verify your phone number here. So just enter your phone number and then click on verify number. Once they send a verification code, just enter the number and you should be good to go. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll catch you on the next one.